Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger requests. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger requests, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about messenger and you will enter here. Then this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and then you can turn on your phone again. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi if you didn't fix it. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.